comes down to, I guess, the question of whether you want the software you have chosen to develop to drive your business, or if you want your business needs to drive the software that you build. If you really think about the way that software needs to get developed and contribute to nimbleness, then I would even say that there is really no size of organization that can leverage citizen development in a meaningful way. And I think it probably also goes to say, should be said that in a typical situation, almost everybody in your organization should be able to, be capable to, and have access to the tools to create the kind of software or the kind of analytics or what have you that works for them. I recently was talking to Gojek. I've done a case study on them as well. It's really interesting to see the way that they have evolved. Obviously, they're a digital native organization. They work very rapidly and they have very specific needs because that whole business is like Uber, right? So it's a very real-time business in the sense that, if it rains today in the evening, that affects demand and supply and things like that. So when you think about it from that point of view, what they have done is that they essentially started making every single business event that happened on their platform. They've started broadcasting it across their entire organization over Kafka. So that anybody in any position across the organization can tap into that, and they've built their own experimentation tools, low-code experimentation tools, if I might. And they've also invested in creating data literacy across the organization to make sure that anybody and everybody has A, access to data, B, access to the tooling that they need to create their own insights about what's going on in the business. And if you take that example and juxtapose it to the conventional IT thinking, which is more about kind of how do we control and what is the right proportion. There isn't the right proportion. You should just go with whatever works, whatever drives the most amount of innovation through your organization, rather than think about this in terms of the boxes and silos.